Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, do you have family? Are you living with someone? Yes? With whom you are living? You are living with your parents, father, mother. You may have brother or sister, isn't it? Or you may live with your uncles, aunts, isn't it? So, what is this called? All the members living together. This is called family. Okay? So, now we are going to learn second lesson. Okay? What is the second lesson? My family members. My family members. Okay? Children, all of you open your EVS textbooks. Page number 5. Page number 5. Okay? Now we are going to learn this lesson. My family members. Second lesson, my family members. Okay. Okay. See, think part. Everybody keep your fingers and be attentive and you listen to me and read. Okay. In some, S-O-M-E, some, H-O-M-E-S, homes. In some homes, more people, M-O-R-E, more, P-E-O-P-L-E, people, L-A-V-E, live. In some homes, more people live. And in some, and in S-O-M-E, some, and in some, fewer, F-E-W-E-R, fewer people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people live. Fewer people live. S-O-M-E, some, A-R-E-R, Y-O-U-N-G, some are young. Okay? And some are old. A-N-D and S-O-M-E, some, A-R-E-R-O-N-D, old. Some are young and some are old. How, H-O-W, how, M-A-N-Y, many, P-O-P-L-E, people. How many people live, L-R-V-E, live, I-N, in, Y-O-U-Y, your, H-O-U-S-E, house. Okay? Now, all of you keep your fingers. In some homes, more people live. In means somewhere. Some means somebody. One, two, some people. Group of some home. In some homes means not all the homes. Some homes. You take half or 3/4 or quarter part. Okay? In some homes, not all, some homes, more means more, bigger number. Okay? More people you know, no? Okay? People live. Live means stay. Okay? In some homes, more people live. In some homes, more people live. And in some homes, fewer people live. And in some homes, more number of people are there. In some homes, fewer means little number of people are there. Okay? Some are young and some are old. Okay? In some homes, small people are there, small younger people are there, and older people are there. Not all the people are not of the same age. Okay? If you are there, your parents are there, your grandparents are there. All of you are not the same age, isn't it? You are younger and your grandparents are older and your parents are very adults, isn't it? You know, no? You are all children. Your parents are younger and your grandparents are older. Like this, different types of people are there. All this together is called as family. Okay. Here what is the question? In some homes more people live. In some homes fewer people live. Some are young own. How many people live in your house? Okay, in your house, how many people are there? You only count and tell, including you. How many people are there? Might be 4, might be 3, might be 6. Okay, you might be, how many number of family members are there? That much big it is your family. That much big your family is. Understood? Okay, so children, remembering part. Some of us live with our mothers. Okay, live with our mothers. MOTHERS, mothers. Some of us live with our mothers, fathers and siblings. Okay, sometimes our grandparents also stay with us. We live with our parents, fathers, mothers, okay, and siblings. All of you know, no? Sometimes our grandparents also stay with us. Sometimes grandparents also stay with us. A family is a group of people who are related to one another. They all are our family members. Isn't it? Our parents, grandparents, siblings, yes, and all cousins, all are our family members. Okay. Some family members live in different houses. Some family members live in different houses. Okay, children? So here, see, some means some, half, not all. Okay, some of us. Out of all, some of us. Okay, we are, so many people are there. Isn't it? So many families are there. How many children are there? In your friends, many friends are there. Out of them, some of your friends live with their mothers. Some of them live with father and mother. Some of them live with father, mother, siblings. Some people live with their father, mother, siblings, cousins, uncles, aunts. Some of them live with the grandparents. How many are there? These are all together is called family. With whom we are living, all the members belong to the same family. Okay, some of the family members live outside. They will not live with us. Suppose your father and mother are there. You are living with your father and mother. But your uncle and auntie are living in somewhere place. Though they are family members, but they are living somewhere. Got it, children? What I am telling? Some of us live with our mothers, fathers and siblings. Sometimes our grandparents also stay with us. Okay, a family is a group of people who are related to one another. They are all our family members. Some family members live in different houses. Did you all understand what I am telling? Here, what are the hard words? Up till remembering part, first paragraph. MOTHERS, mothers. FATHERS, fathers. SIBLINGS, siblings. GRAND, grand. PARENTS, parents, grandparents. FAMILY, family. FAMILY, family. MEMBERS, family members. And parents, PARENTS, parents. DAUGHTERS, daughters. SONS, sons. Okay? Okay, children, some means I told you, some of us, or out of all, some. Some live with our mothers, fathers and siblings. Okay? Sometimes our grandparents also stay with us. Okay? Many of us will be living with our grandparents also. Isn't it? A family means what? A family means a group of people. Family means family. FAMILY. Family means a group of people. Okay? Group of people who are related to one another. Those who are related to one another means you belong to your family only. You will not belong to your friend's family. Isn't it? Your family members. Okay? The family members, you relate with your family members only. You will not relate with your friend's family members. Isn't it? So, some of the family members, like those who are related to one another, live together. Okay, group of people who related together, they will be living in a family. Understood? They are all our family members. Some family members live in different house. Okay, some family members live in different house. Our mothers and fathers are our parents. Okay, we are their daughters and sons. Okay, we are their daughters and sons. Girls are daughters and boys are sons. Okay, our sisters and brothers are our siblings. Okay, all of you know up to now. See, all of you learn these hard words, new words. M-O-T-H-E-R-S, mothers. F-A-T-H-E-R-S, fathers. S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S, siblings. G-R-A-N-D, grand. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, grandparents. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. M-E-M-B-E-R-S, members, family members. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R-S, daughters. S-O-N-S, sons. Okay, children? Now, all of you, all black are there, no? This you have to underline and you have to read. Understood? In the next class, you are going to write the ST part on remembering part. Up till here. Okay? Up till 7 weeks. You have to learn for ST. Within 5 minutes, you have to complete ST and rest I will go to the next part of the lesson. Understood, children? Is it clear? This is your homework. You have to prepare ST. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.